Hey friends, just got back from a scout trip with my daughter, and I taught a knots and ropes course for the kids. Uh, and so I had some extra rope that I was carrying around in my pocket. I thought I'd do something with it, so I tied this on my water bottle. So if I slide this bight out, I can pull this bight, and you see that the entire thing just comes undone cleanly. I thought that was neat. Let's see how it's tied. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bight here on my water bottle, wrap it around, and just bring it right over the top here. Try to tighten it down a little bit, just make sure it stays in place. Bring it around the other side, come back over the top, tighten it down. Once you've got two of them in place, you can get it good and tight, and then after that it's pretty easy. You just go back and forth, come over the top, underneath, cinch it down. Come back around, lay it over the top, bring it back around underneath, bring it back. Cinch it down a little bit as you go, and keep it nice and clean and dressed. Back around, back around. I like to dress my knots and ties as I go along. That way it'll be clean when I'm finished. I think I've got enough room for one last wrap. Cinch this one down and bring the working end around here. And then I just slide it right through this bight. That's it. Now I've got this button on at the bottom. Pull it tight. I've got a nice bottle wrap that releases quickly and easily. Cool thing about this is you can tie this on just about anything. You can tie it to the arm straps for your day pack or your backpack, whatever. So anyway, thought that was cool. Thought I'd share. Hope you enjoy it. Take it easy.